All right, so we're gonna change these trans lines out for some new stuff. Got a new radiator. New. Because crash.
Okay, fine. Yes, sir. Okay. Sending somebody down to straighten this mess out.
Oh no, it's bleeding.
That has nothing to do with us. Sir, I used to be protected. We protected Mr. Jennings. He must come with me. Mr. Bulganov, that'll be taken care of.
Damn it, Beavis.
Ну, друг мой дорогой, ну иди со мной, мы тогда забудем, что случилось. Я больше не вернусь туда. Ну, как же опера, балет, музыка. I don't care about orchestra, I don't care about piano.
Oh no, it's bleeding.
Mr. Jennings will be staying with us for a while.
You have no jurisdiction to the matter. He must come with me.
Mr. Jennings is being detained.
I'm lodging the official protest with your government.
Big deal.
I love workaholics.
Mr. Bulganov?
I will be in touch.
I'm bleeding.
Salute to you from your brother in struggle against racist imperialism.
Wipe yourself off. You're bleeding. Alright. So, we're gonna go yeah. What? Hey. Oh.
You'll be alright.
Do you know?
Somebody out there messing around.
This will be by me.
We're gonna force him on as far as we can. We're gonna run him over to this puppy here. Hell, it looks like you could run right around that motherfucker right there. Might be really cool. I don't know. Yeah, no. Why not? Why not? It's gonna be hoopty eyes anyhow. Alright. So the shroud's gonna be here. Puppy, I can run him. Alright. Right. Off she goes. Off with her head.
May I help you? Paris Police Department. Is there Captain Miller here? Hang on a minute. My name is Stevens, Jeffrey Stevens. I'm with the State Department.
Your Honor, Nick, Your Honor,
They told me you were Russian.
they were wrong. That's the Russian over there. This is Sergeant Imana. He's Japanese.
My mistake.
Oh, that's
Arigato.
Who dat? So, where'd my box clamps go?
Good afternoon. This is Detective Orgehouse, the arresting officer. I hope you understand that you had no authority to do what you did. The guy was being kidnapped. What was I supposed to do, huh? Stand around with my finger up my Joe? Just think someone ought to tell us that the people don't get away with kidnapping around this precinct. I don't care what country they're from. You might have taken alternative actions if you had been a bit more perspicacious.
Oh, yeah? Mr. Stevens, this entire affair was unfortunate, but unfortunately unavoidable.
I don't know if you realize, but what we have here is a very delicate situation. And my job as State Department liaison is to keep it from blowing into a major diplomatic flap.
You're the expert.
I keep doing that.
I started the job last Tuesday. With the new administration.
Ah, yes. As a matter of fact, now that you mention it, I do detect a slight accent.
We no longer have that. You do. Why does the gentleman wish to defect? I never asked him. I just assumed that you would want to. Ah, that's right. Mr. Janinsky. I'm Mr. Stevens of the U.S. government. I'd like to know your reason
Alrighty
for
then.
stay in this country. To be free. I'm afraid that just wanting to be free isn't enough, Mr. Janinsky.
Good enough for me.
I need more specifics, don't you understand? Please, sir.
Sir, I want to work. I want to, don't be afraid. I want to go where I choose, to whom I choose. Nobody follow me, police. I want to be free, sir.
Oh shit, these are 7s.
Oh, man, this is beautiful. I mean, man, this is just beautiful.
Very touching, very poetic.
Let me in. Trump Precinct, Harris.
Political persecution, religious persecution. We don't accept
Same thing.
defectors for frivolous reasons. The State Department.
9:30 seconds.
Frivolous would be, well, let's say you...
Dude, that thing's too strong. Always double cramp that shit. And use full length clamps. None of that worm gear shit.
Net credit is here.
Man, if it's a piece of shit, you're just gonna give away or something, but
Line of credit, even when
I gotta drive this.
apply online in minutes and get funds deposited the next business day or sooner.
Sorry guys, I gotta contort.
Netcredit.com.
Didn't know I had to be a gymnast to do this stuff.
Credit to the people.
Nobody told me.
We don't have time to be sick with the flu.
We don't have time for delays.
We don't have time. Let's be real.
You need a flu shot?
Help you fight the flu. Get a flu shot for yourself and those around you too. You're going to want to watch you on this
Alright, the lower's done.
We hope you and your family are
Stab him up right.
And we will be with you in the new year. From all of us, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Oh, Christmas tree.
We don't take care of each other, but we'll.
Keep your head up. Keep pushing forward. This is the job you chose. We have to get to the bottom of this. We need evidence to prove a theory. It's okay. We'll find it.
We collect evidence, we analyze it, it leads us to the truth.
Eye on Television, positively entertaining. On WILX 10.4.
But you told me that he was to stay.
Yeah.
Right, on you go.
But they make me to go back because I'm different? They can't keep you out of the country just because you're gay. That's what they call it. It's all right to be gay in America. It's wonderful anywhere.
One way or the other.
You are bisexual.
Very nice. Hey, get in there.
I like girls.
I like turtles.
It's going to be very embarrassing. The new administration. They've officially protested the actions that officer of yours. You look be worried about my office. The question
You know
is, what are
what?
you going to do about that?
I think I might run in this way.
Oh, why can't you
give anyone asylum. Yeah. The only person who can formally grant asylum is the district director of immigration.
Yep.
Why are you here? My job. To do what? I don't know. I'm new. Well, it would appear to me that the next step.
Nope, don't like that. I guess I go with the original plan.
Over to the Department of Immigration. I'm afraid we can't do that. Well, Captain, it is official.
Some zip ties.
Agency, including the police, may aid in any way to help an individual seek asylum.
Well, then, why don't we just send him over?
No, you cannot send him anywhere.
How was the poor man supposed to get there?
That's up to him.
What if the Russians grab him?
Well, in that case, the United States will make a formal protest to the Soviet government.
We protest, they protest. All sounds very silly, Mr. Stevens.
It's a living, sir.
Tell me, Mr. Janinski, do they have a large gay community in Russia?
It's very hard to say. They are afraid to be known.
Well, I must tell you that I do admire your courage and convictions very much.
Thank you. I like your jacket.
Listen, I'm sitting on a news story that would just be dynamite for your magazine. No, really, it's got everything. Intrigue, danger, romance.
The longer he stays here, the more embarrassing it is. All right, just take it easy, Mr. Stevens. Just take it easy. What? Just go wherever you like. Captain.
All right, Mr. Stevens, take it easy. Let's just take it slow and
All right. Do that.
consider all the possibilities. Go, baby.
I'll get some zip ties out. We'll hook that shit up.
Come in.
Oh, I gotta find that.
Problem seems to be getting Mr. Janinski here over to the Department of Immigration. I'll take her.
You can't do that.
Oh, yeah? Why not?
My hoses.
With any official status, federal or civil can lift a finger to help.
I can help him. I don't have status.
We can't just let him get dragged back to Russia. Take it easy. Nobody's gonna drag anybody anywhere.
The man can't stay here.
He's gifted. Mr. Janinski, we're doing everything we can to help you.
Which is nothing. None of us can do anything.
Speak for yourself, John.
Jeffrey, sir. Who gives a fuck, John?
We'll just take Mr. Janinski downstairs, put him in the squad car.
I didn't hear that.
Take him over to the Department of Immigration.
I didn't hear that either. In fact, I didn't hear anything.
Listen to the District Director of Immigration.
Mr. Stevens, aren't you being a bit childish?
I don't care how I'm being. I want no part.
And you have no part in this.
Damn.
I thank you. From my heart, I thank you.
Good luck, Mr. Janinski.
There we go.
I thank everyone.
Oh, ching chong, ching chong. Barely fits.
Goodbye, Mr. Stevens.
Might have to zip tie some of that shit. That one looks like it might line up. This one looks way off. And I gotta find my hosers. You hoser. Alright, well, and then I gotta, once I have to tweak all this around, we're gonna leave this loose for right now, but she's in there. Oh, plug her in, plug her in, plug her in. Alright. Look at that. Oh yeah, still got the old one. Ha. Got to fix that. Right. Here we go.